Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
After the official program to celebrate International Youth Day 2022 on the 12th of August, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, had informed through the media that, as desired by the general public, the Justice Vaiphei Report on the death of Late Cheristerfield Thangkhiew on 13th August 2021 will be tabled on the floor of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 9th of September 2022, which is also the first day of the Assembly session. While responding to queries whether police personnel will be deployed in Mawlai on the 13th of August 2022, Prestone Tynsong said that the people of Mawlai should maintain peace and harmony in order to avoid breakdown of law and order, even as they hold various programs on Late Cheristerfield Thankhiews' first death anniversary on Saturday.
See, on the 9th, the assembly session, autumn session will start. And on the 9th itself, we will table it on the floor of the House. So I told them, please be patient, wait, because we have to follow the rules, we have to follow also the act as guided by the book. So we have to be a little patient. Then I told them, I requested them, you will get it on the 9th of September. Well, in fact, we have already instructed police and we requested them also, yes, you please do whatever you feel like to do in honor of Late Cheristerfield Thangkhiew. They can do any program, whatever they feel like. And that day also I appeal and requested them, do any honor whatever you wanted to do, please, but please don't create law and order. That is my request to all of them, because we don't want to see again law and order problem in the state. Well, if they don't need, I think that sentiment, we respect that. But at the same time, we requested from the government side, please make sure that you don't have to take the law on the law on your own hand. And number two, please make sure whatever programs that you have, please make sure it is peaceful and no law and order is breached.